The Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 air fryer delivers consistently crisp, well-browned results thanks to its precise temperature control and efficient heated air circulation. The 6-quart basket is roomy enough for a whole chicken or a generous batch of fries, and the optional divider makes it easy to cook two different foods at once without flavors mingling. Its built-in temperature probe and automatic shutoff take the guesswork out of cooking meat, so roasts and steaks come out juicy instead of overdone. With 10 preset functions plus a wide adjustable temperature range, it comfortably replaces several small appliances for roasting, grilling, baking, dehydrating, and simple reheating. The included grill pan, baking pan, rack, and breakfast accessories expand what you can make, from seared vegetables to layered meals and quick morning dishes. Cleanup is straightforward because the nonstick basket and pans release food easily and can go in the dishwasher, which encourages using the air fryer several times a week.